Hi, I'm Shannon McFadden. I'm the Strategic Account Manager for the Telarus National Relationship with Jive and LogMeIn. When we're working with partners that are selling cloud and UCaaS, one of the obstacles we might run into would be not checking if the network is set up to be compatible with VoIP and cloud services. So if we run into a network that isn't qualified, we may find that there's problems with the features or quality, and then the customer doesn't get the best experience. When we see obstacles like these come up, we definitely like to make sure that a partner is aware of the tools that they have to pre-check the network before moving along, so that they can advise the customer on how to address those issues before we jump into implementation. We encourage partners to use the VXsupportLine so that they can test data straight to the Jive centers, and then they get a real-time reading back where they can be an advisory role for their customer. They can help solve those solutions ahead of time and just be a trusted advisor.